Today's fountain pen unboxing is a Pineider Avatar UR Black Edition fountain pen. The packaging is a dark gray, almost black, cardboard sleeve. They are made in Italy. You have that familiar Pineider shape in the inner box. Right away, you have your Avatar UR Black Edition Pineider brochure with all the information about the company and the pen, how to use it, your warranty information. You want to hang on to that. Then you have your pen. This yellow demonstrator is actually called Amber. That's the color name. And the pens are made of the UltraResin that Pineider came up with, and it's paired with a black colored trim. You see the familiar quill pin clip, and then in this center clip you have the amazing horizon view etched in there, and along with the Pineider name. You do have the dark black color matching the trim at the back end of the barrel, and this section does match the trim. You do have a German-made Bock nib, and that's a stainless steel nib. These Pineider pens are made in Italy, as I said. They're also crafted with what is described as glueless technology. So they're just assembled without glue. These entire pens are assembled without glue, which is kind of amazing. Another popular feature is that magnetic catch cap design. All right, let's just get a good look at some of this detail here. I do like how this is a true demonstrator where you can actually see straight through and to all the inner components. And the demonstrator material paired with that black trim along with all those details really it's an impressive combination. Okay, this is a cartridge converter pen, and the the converter does have the ink level printed on the converter, which I think is an interesting and useful addition. It's a piston style converter. The converter is included with the purchase of your pen. And in the pens that I've seen, the converter is already installed in the pen when you receive it. The pen is postable, so if you like to write with your pen posted, that will work well for you. There are other colors available in this collection. The Pineider Avatar UR Black Edition comes in the amber that we looked at first, then the sky blue, a clear demonstrator, and then also a wine red demonstrator. So you've got your 4 demonstrator colors, and they all have that familiar demonstrator combined with the black trim look. Also available in the Pineider Avatar UR Black Edition is a matte black and a glossy black. And I loved the demonstrators, but when the 2 black versions arrived, I was impressed. They're very nice looking. That black on black is very cool. So that is the full current collection of the fountain pens. It's also available as a rollerball. If you're interested in rollerballs, it's also available as a ballpoint. So this is the Pineider Avatar UR Black Edition as a ballpoint or a rollerball. And that is the entire collection. If you want more information, visit us at penchalet.com.